Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.